we're gonna start with editing the profile style. So we're going to open profile 5, we're gonna click the grid, select profile, we're going to properties, click the information tab. On the object style field, change the profile style from major grids and click apply. Notice that the style change affect the X annotation grid. Click edit correction. Next one. In the profile view style, we'll examine the context various tab to see many things that can be included in style definition. So after this, we're gonna cancel and click OK to close the profile view properties dialog box. We're gonna zoom out to see the both profile views. When you apply the major grid style, which includes the grid path and void to P1, click PV2 and move it up about the little block for PV1. So now you will edit the major grids profile. So we're gonna click PV1 grid to select the profile view. I'm gonna right click and click edit profile view style. Click the PV1 in PV1. As soon as we go to profile view style, in the profile view style dialog box, we're going to, on the grid tab, on the grid padding, we're gonna change the padding of all of axes to 1, and then we're gonna click apply. After that, we're gonna notice that in the drawing there is now one full major grid between the profiles and the profile view extends. Yeah, we're just moving it. You need to select the name, yeah. Just because I want to see the label. In PV1, which is the bottom one, you need to right click. To select it, right click, the profile view style. So we're gonna put the access in 1 in grid tab. So as soon as we're gonna click apply, okay, perfect. So now under grid options, select clip vertical, select the omit grid padding areas, and then we click applies. We do the same. So noting the drawable profile grid has been removed from above the surface profile and the padding as you specify. So the grid basically is clipped to the surface profile because the grip setting in the profile view properties for P1 is set to the certain line surface profile. Settings the profile view style to clip to highest profile will override the property settings and clip the grid to the lower profile. Then we click OK. So we're gonna pan to see upper left corner of the profile view, zooming in so you can see clearly the marks on horizontal vertical axis. Notice that the station label is overlapped. So click in edit profile view style. So in the profile view style on the horizontal axis, well, just here we're seeing the zoom of the vertical axis. We're gonna click the grid to select the profile, right click, going to profile view style. In the profile view style, on the horizontal axis, click top. So this control set the focus of the control of this tab to the top axis. Okay. Okay. Now, on the bottom of the axis, control major and minor grip expansion. So, on the major tick detail, specifying the tick size, which is 0.25, and Y offset 0.1. And then we click apply. So, the major ticks are longer and the station labels moves up. So, on the vertical axis tab, make sure left is selected and the axis to control. So now we're going to, under major tick details, we're going to specify the tick size and the X offset, which is 0.25 and minus 0.1. And then we click OK. So now the ticks are longer than elevation labels move to the left. So now we're gonna open the profile 5B. So in this drawing that we're gonna open, this drawing is similar to the drawings that you use in the previous profile exercise. These drawings contain additional profile view PV3. So now we're going to click the profile PV3. We're going to select the profile view, right click and click profile view properties in PV3. So in the profile view properties dialog box on the hatch tab, we're gonna click the CUT area. So a CUT area is displayed on the hatch tab area table. The hatch tab. Hatch tab, the last one. The last one, yeah. Gonna click the CUT. So in the shape style column, we're gonna click standards. In the big shape style dialog box, we're gonna select CUT and then we're gonna click OK. So in the profile view property dialog box, we're gonna click apply. So after that, the specified shape style is displayed in the CUT areas between the profiles. So now we're going to, after we finish this step, we're gonna define a field area hatch. So in the profile view, in hatch tab, we're gonna click field area. We're gonna select standard as an entry as well. We're gonna pick in the pick shape dialog box, expand the list of shape styles. On appropriate field style doesn't exist in the drawing. You will create one in the following steps. So for now, we're just gonna pick up standards and leave it like that. So now we're gonna create a field shape style. So in the pick shape style dialog box, select CUT. So after that, in the style dialog box, click the arrow next to it and click copy current selection. After we click it on the information tab, for name, we're gonna enter field. So after we enter, we're just gonna click and put it copy current location. As a name, we're gonna enter field. On the display tab, under view direction, select profile, select both entities to component display table, click one of the color cells. Color cell, in the select dialog box for color, we're gonna enter 92 and then we're gonna click OK. So in the component hatch display table for partner, we're gonna click dash entry. Don't forget that. Okay, in the hatch pattern dialog box for pattern name, we're gonna select cross. Okay, 92. We will need to click and select dash entry. So in the as parent dialog box for parent name, select cross. Then we click OK for 4 times. After we do this, we're going to open profile 5C, which is located in our tutorial folder. So to view ports are displayed in this drawing. A plan view of cover points that represent an existing road and a proposed corridor that are displayed. So we're gonna click home, perfection selection view panels and profile view top down. We're gonna select project objects to profile view. So um, so in the corridor, yeah, going to throw it to home tab. We're gonna just move the drawings to get more easier to work on it. Just having a look. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to go to home tab. All the lights spot along the proposed route corridor are selected. And we're gonna we click right, select similar. Sorry, I forgot that step. Profile objects to view. So in the viewport, click the profile view grill. So it's got a project objects profile dialog box will be open. We're gonna click save set all in each column to specify the following parameters. So as a style, that's not a project objects to profile view. Project without exaggeration, yep. An elevation point surface, first street surface. So unlabeled style, object name, station, and elevation. And then we're gonna click OK. So the lights pole are displayed in the profile view. So in the left viewport, select the cover points that are along proportion the row on certain line. Which is on the top, yeah. So as after we select it, we're gonna go to Home tab, Profile Views panel. We're gonna select Project Objects to Profile View. In the right viewport, we're gonna click in the Profile View grill. In the Project Objects, it's not open yet. Sorry. The Project Object to Profile View dialog box. We need to, after the dialog box open, we're gonna pick objects. You just select it. So you need to pick up objects. So in the left viewport, we're gonna zoom and select each of the three blue 3D polylines that represent the front of the buildings. Okay. So after we do this, I'm gonna press enter to end the command. So in the project object to profile view dialog box, in the 3D polylines row under style, click set all. I'm gonna set all, okay. In the section projection style dialog box, select projection without exaggeration. So we're gonna leave the elevation option setting up use object. In this case, the appropriate elevation value is property of the select object, and then we're gonna click twice. So the cocoa point after this and building 3D polylines will be displayed in the profile view. So in the left viewport, select the 3D polylines in parcel 101. On the command line, we're gonna enter list. You need to select the polyline in parcel 101. I'm gonna click this. Yep. So we're gonna press enter close to the AutoCAD test window. So now we can see the text window. So in the right viewport, select the 3D polyline that occurs between the station 0 plus 060 and 0 plus 080. When you select the 3D polyline, the profile view notice that the polyline implant is being highlighted. So drag the left diamond grip down toward to the bottom of the profile view. So we're gonna repeat these steps to examine the new elevation value. So when you click the data project failure of 3D polyline, the corresponding elevation of the source object is adjusted. So after we do this, we're gonna press enter and we're gonna close the AutoCAD test window. So the next step is modify the display of projected objects in the profile view. Just waiting. So we need to go to the right viewport to select the profile view grid, and we're going to profile view properties. Okay, now we see the windows. So the projections that will be displayed on the profile viewport dialog box. You will see the controls on this tab to change the parameters that you use to when you project the objects onto the profile view. So like another AutoCAD Civil 3D dialogs. So in the profile view dialog box on the projection tab, clear the 3D polyline checkbox and then click apply. 3D polyline removed from the profile view and clear it from the profile. Okay. Now we're going to the profile 5D, which is located in the Dragon folder. We're going to Home tab, Profile Selection View panel, and we're gonna select Create Profile View. So we're gonna specify the select alignment and profile view style. So rich, row, and standard. So on the left side of the wizard, we're gonna click Profile View Height. On the Profile View Height page, specify the lowest parameters, which is as user specified as maximum 670, and split profile view we selected. The next one. After we do this, the split profile view controls will be available. So these controls allow you to select separate profile view style for the first immediately and the last segment on the split profile view. Then we're gonna click next. On the profile display, so option, we're gonna clear the dark checkboxes for all profiles. Surface 1, level 1 row, select and split option. Okay, scroll on to the right to see the column visible. Okay, select surface 1 and the pick label set box, click none and then click OK. We're gonna click the create the profile view. Panel soon to clear area and dragon window, then to create the profile view. Now we can see profile view. Going to tool space, we go into profile view escalation. Notice that the single profiles PV4 was created on the prospector tab. Right click in 4, click properties. So in the property dialog box on elevation tab, on the elevation range, change the height to 15,000 and then we click apply. Notice that in the drawing window, the profile view has been split into 5 segments to accommodate the new height. Okay, in the profile view property dialog box, in the split profile view data, in the number 1 row, in the profile view style column, yeah, click properties. We're gonna click the symbol. So profile views, the row 1. So in the pickup profile dialog box, we're gonna select left and bottom axis, and then we're gonna click OK. Yeah, that one. We're gonna click this, yeah, that one, and we're gonna select the left and bottom axis, and then we're gonna click OK. So repeat this step for the row number 4 as a full grid, and then we're gonna click OK. So 3 different profile view styles are displayed in the single profile view grid. As we see, now it's done. Okay, now we're going to profile 5E, which is located in our tutors folders. So we're gonna click home and profile section view panel. We're gonna create multiple profile view. Just select it as we did before. So as we're gonna specify the select alignment and profile view style, which is Oka roll and major grids. And then we're gonna click next. On the station range page, in the leg of each view box, enter 500. Enter 500 and click next. On the profile view height page, specify the allowance parameters. So with profile view height, user specify 50, profile view datum by mean elevation. Okay. So split profile view, we need to select it. So, and then we're gonna click next. Next. On the profile display option page, ensure that the draw checkbox is selected for both profiles. So in the org road, prospect the row, select the split at option. So now we're gonna click next to open the pipe network display page. So you can use this page to select the pipe network or part that you want to display in the profile view. For this exercise, we will not display any pipe networks. So we're gonna click next. On the data bands, under select band set, select EG, Fiji, elevation, and station. So we're gonna click next to open the profile hatch option page. So you can use to specify the parameter between profiles in the preferred view. We're gonna click next on the multiple plot. Set the maximum row and form, click the create profile view, and when promoted, zoom into a clear area in the drawing window, then click to create profiles. So in the tool space after we did this, on the prospector tab, select the view collections and note that separate from the profile. Now we're gonna open the exercise 5F. Yep. Which is in our tutorial drawing folder. So we're going to Home tab. We're gonna create profile view again. So in the create profile view wizard, we're gonna specify select alignment, show offset profile by vertical stacking profile views. Then north south road, and the next one we need to select it. So on the left side of the create profile, click stacked profile. So in this page, the number of stackers view is 3. The gap between views is 0. So we're looking for stacked profile page to specify number of stacker views. Yep. So it's 3 and 0. Perfect. Now the top view style, stacked top, middle view style, stacked middle, bottom view style, stacked bottom. And then we press next. On the profile display option, in the select stack view, specify the option for list, select middle view. So in the specified profile display options, on the table draw, following parameters, e.g. center line and center line. You're gonna select. So in the select stack view specify option list, we're gonna select top view. So, and also the option, we're gonna specify profile display option table, which is EG left offset and EOP left. So in the select stack view specified option, select bottom view. Okay, now we're gonna start Okay, we're gonna start to selecting first the top view, which is the first one, and we're gonna specify EG left offset and EOP left. Then bottom view, then we click next. Yeah, the middle view, perfect. So after we finish